国际消息，咱要来关心美国总统川普14宣布讲，罗西亚若无伫咧50天内，甲乌克兰达成停火协议，就会对罗西亚提出100%真严格刺激关税。也若详时，乌克兰总统泽伦斯基讲，伊甲来拜访的美国特使凯洛格，因的对谈是真有效果，嘛对川普军员的声明表达感谢。也若针对川普上新的这个宣布，目前罗西亚是也无回应。
But we're very, very unhappy with them, and we're going to be doing very severe tariffs if we don't have a deal in 50 days. Tariffs at about 100%. You'd call them secondary tariffs. It's not my war. I'm trying to get you out of it. And we want to see it end. And I'm disappointed in President Putin because I thought we would have had a deal 2 months ago.
美国总统川普是伫被用甲北大西洋公约组织秘书长吕特见面时阵讲这项宣布。
But we've made a deal today where we are going to be sending them weapons and they're going to be paying for them.
伫这时阵，乌克兰总统泽伦斯基伫基辅接待来访的美国特使凯洛格，表示双方讲话真有成效，也对川普军方声明表达感谢。 根据美国广播公司特派员表示，川普戏剧性的转变显示对瑞士总统普京失去耐性，因为入侵乌克兰和西方制裁了后，瑞士已经设计出规套规避制裁系统，这个系统也可能对目前有判相比川普所威胁的刺激关税有帮助。比如瑞士所会的影舰队由数百只有不明所有权的油轮组成，应用来运作瑞士出口石油甲天然气的来源。石油甲天然气占瑞士国家财政收入将近1/3，也占其他出口总额超过60%。公司新闻，王文玲报道。